Welcome! In front of me I have FITBIT Inspire 3 and I'm gonna show you how to enable the phone notifications for this Smartband on the Android phone. Basically, if you want to receive the notifications from your phone on the Smartband. Before we start, if you want to receive the notifications from your phone on the Smartband, your Smartband needs to be paired with your phone via the FITBIT application. Once the devices are paired together, we can continue. And now we can open the FITBIT application on the phone that is paired with our Smartband. After you open the application, you should see the Today page. Now tap on the account icon in the top left corner to open the account page, and here you should see your Inspire 3 on the list of devices. Tap on it, and this should bring you to the device page of your Inspire 3, and now you find the option called notifications right here. Tap on it, and if you don't have the required permissions allowed for the application to send the notifications to your Smartband, you will see this message, and basically we need to tap on the enable notification service. It will redirect us to this page basically. Now we need to find the FITBIT application on the list. Tap on it, scroll down, tap on the switch next to allow notification access, and then tap on allow. And once you allow the notification access, it will bring you back to the notifications settings in the FITBIT application. Now we can enable and disable notifications for different notification types. We have calls, text messages, calendar events, emails, and app notifications. First, let's enable it for calls. So if you want to receive the notifications about calls, tap on the switch, and you will need to enable or allow required permissions like this. And now the notifications are enabled. You should be able to receive the notifications about calls on your Smartband. Next, we have text messages. You can tap on it, and you can enable it by tapping on the switch. You can also select the default messaging app. As you can see, I have only one, so I can select anything else. Next, we have the calendar events. Again, we can enable it or disable it by tapping on the switch, and then select the default app. Then we have email. We can enable it or disable it by tapping on the switch, select the default app, and finally we have app notifications. And here we can enable or disable the notifications for specific applications. As you can see, we have the list of applications installed on our phone, and we can find the application we want to enable the notifications for. We can tap on the box next to it to enable it. And of course, if you want to disable it, you can tap on it again. So enable it for any application you want, and once you're done, you can go back. Next, we have reply settings, and here we can set up quick replies. Basically, this option allows you to reply to the messages quickly on your Smartband. And you can tap on default replies, and here you can basically edit the default ones. So these are the default replies will be the ones that you get in the every app, unless you set the specific replies right here for the specific apps. So let's say I'm gonna edit something here like this, and this will apply to the every app on our phone, unless we find the app right here on the list, tap on it, and change it right here specifically. This option will override the default replies basically. So that's how it works. Okay, and once you're done with the quick replies, you can go back, and next we have vibration settings, and here we can enable or disable the option to always vibrate. What this option does is basically it ignores the do not disturb mode and silent mode. So even though you have the do not disturb mode or silent mode enabled, the tracker will still vibrate anyway. And then we have the enable transliteration option, and we can turn it on or off. And once you're done customizing your settings, you can basically close the app, and you should be able to receive the notifications on your Smartband. You can also quickly test if it's working by tapping on more options icon right here in the top right corner, and tap on set test call notification. And you should receive the test notification on your Smartband. Let's skip it by pressing both buttons. I'm gonna also send myself a message on Discord just to show you that it works. So I'm gonna type in something. you can see, we got the message or notification on our phone and also on our Smartband, and we can tap on it to read it. We can mark it as read. We can quick reply to it. Like this. We can clear it, and we can do a couple of things with that notification. And if you miss the notifications on your Smartband, you can swipe left on the home screen, tap on notifications right here, and you can read them, you can clear them and do stuff with them. Okay, and that's how you enable the phone notifications for this Smartband on the Android phone. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, please consider subscribing to our channel and leaving the like on the video.